y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a what's in my bag. So we're actually gonna stuff my bag. So I have my Louis Vuitton Montsouris PM backpack. This is my everyday bag. So I went to work this week after an appointment and I want to switch back into my everyday bag. I don't need a tote most days. I like having my backpack. And so we're just gonna move everything over and y'all can get an updated view of what I keep in here. So I didn't move everything over when I put everything in here for work. So I still have my organizer in here from Amazon that I'll have linked below. I have a backup battery that attaches to the MagSafe component on my phone. It's the Apple one. And then I have some gum in the drink holder. And then I have my new birthday present to myself, which is the black empreinte key holder. And so I like to keep my key pouch, not key holder. But I like to keep my AirPods in here, so I keep this out, or just anything that I need to quickly get into. This is attached to where the charm is supposed to be, but I love the way it looks, and then I can tuck it in and out based on wherever I'm going. So that is currently what's in here. Now let's move everything over. So we have my on-the-go planner. This is the Louis Vuitton PM agenda, and I have a little home for it. So there is a back pocket back here, so it stays outside of the organizer, and I just keep it tucked in there. That's its little home, and I know where it's at all times, or whether or not I have it, because that's where it stays. And I like that it's like the perfect fit for it too. So we have that. We have my key holder with my key, and we're gonna tuck that in one of these pockets. So there's, in this organizer, 2 pockets here and 2 on the side, and I try to keep everything in them to keep things organized and so they're not floating around, because this backpack is essentially like a bucket bag, and I think an organizer is important because otherwise things are just floating around and it's hard to find, especially since this one's all black. So yeah, I like having the organizer. Here is my card holder with all of my important credit cards, debit card, my license, and this is the charm card holder. So this is a newer one, I think from last year, that I just love, and I got it I think this year. So let's tuck that in, and that's typically where I put those two. If I'm traveling, I've mentioned this in previous videos, I tuck my card case into this pocket, as well as anything that I don't want potentially taken out of my bag. Pickpocketing is big, right? And especially with the holidays. So if I do feel like I need to want to secure it a little bit more, I put it in this pocket. And then I always have an AirPod, an air tag in this suitcase, so I know where it's at just in case it gets stolen. So different things to add. And then here are my sunglasses. So right now I'm currently using my Chanel aviators, so we're gonna throw that in. Before I started carrying gum again, I used to just keep it in the pocket, although I might actually take it out because I've been carrying water bottles more, trying to drink more water, so I might actually use that pocket for water. So let's take that out right now. And then this is what we currently have. And then the last thing that I always take with is my Chanel case. So I switch up what's in here. I try and keep sunscreen on me during the summer. During the winter it's like hand cream, but I have that in my niece right now because I was just traveling. So I have glasses cleaner in here, lip balm, a purse spray. This perfume holder from Dior has ibuprofen in it. I have a lip balm, and then it's just hair ties and just random toiletries. I'll keep tampons in here as well if it's that time of the month. So this is really like a catch-all of cosmetics. So that goes in here. And then I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. So here's what this looks like. And again, I'll have my AirPods in here if I need it. But this is what my purse typically looks like. I think I have a pen in here for my planner, and that's just in case something happens to the pen, it won't get all over everything. So I like to keep it in there, and I'll just throw random things in there like receipts as well. Here is my water bottle. So I have the Chanel water bottle, and although I'm not going anywhere today, I just want to add it in here so y'all can see what it looks like. So we have that, and that is what I put, or that is what's in my bag and how it looks most days. And yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I still absolutely love this bag. I love taking it with me to travel. I think I've shared that multiple times with you guys. It's just great because like I mentioned, I throw everything in this pocket and then I don't put anything else in here. And that way, when we're souvenir shopping or anything, I can put any purchase in here. I don't have to worry about carrying the bag. I can just keep it in my backpack. And then I have really liked having this as my personal item on the plane if I do check a bag. So yeah, other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.